Hi, my name is Ethan. Welcome to my investing channel. Over the past 3 weeks, I have had tremendous returns from stocks such as BNGO, NNDM, FRSX, and most recently CCIV. BNGO and NNDM gave me about 40 to 50% return, whereas FRSX I invested at $4, now it's about $9, so easily more than 100%. And most recently CCIV, I had about 25% return. And these returns have made me rethink my entire approach to stock investing. I was using very conventional approach to share investing until I realized that the market now favors small cap stocks. So big caps like Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla excluded, Tesla being the exceptional one. While they are good to hold for long term, they do not achieve my share investing objective, which is to double or triple my money within a year. So enough talk, I'm going to jump straight to the focus topic of the video. Today, I'm only going to talk about huge penny stock play for the coming week. Here, I have a full listing of my own research stocks, which I think have huge potential for a great run-up in the near term. But I'm only going to pick 2 stocks and explain why they may explode real soon. However, if I'm wrong, these stocks may also fall significantly. Now, the first stock I'm going to talk about is Aurinia Pharmaceutical, ticker symbol AUPH. They last traded at $14.86, after hours was $15.10, upside of about 1.6%. So maybe some investors have already predicted or foresee that they may have gotten the FDA approval needed. Now their RSI is at 57 and Bollinger Band at 4. So this Bollinger Band is my own way of categorization. So how do I categorize it is by just let me pull up a chart to show you. Now this is just a normal Yahoo Finance. You can just put in the Bollinger Band and you get to see that the orange line being the average, and then there's a yellow line on top and like the orange line at the bottom. So how do I categorize it? 5 being the worst, which is where the blue line, the share price, is on top of the yellow line. That I will put at 5, which is the no-no. That means they are overbought, overpriced. Whereas, how do I categorize 4, 3, 2, 1? Is you divide this section, anything in between yellow line to the orange line, you divide by 2, there's a 2 portion. So the first portion I will categorize as 4, and the second portion I will categorize as 3. And then 2, and anything below 2 will be 1. Right? So for this stock, it is at 4, which is quite high. So, but nonetheless, this stock, you can ignore these 2 indicators because they had just gotten FDA approval yesterday for their product, Lupkinase, first approved oral therapy for LN, and LN stands for lupus nephritis. For those who do not know what LN is basically an inflammation of the kidney that is caused by systematic lupus erythematosus, short for SLE. I'm no medical expert, so these terms are difficult for me, but I'm always up for medical breakthrough. Based on their website, there are about 500,000 Americans who have got SLE, and within the SLE, 45% of them have got LN. So LN is a significant subset of SLE patients. So I will not be surprised if the share price have already jumped 20% pre-market on Monday, right? But I will still go in because I can see that it will be at least 50% return. At least that's what I think. So this will be one of the play. And second stock which I'm going to talk about is Senseonics, holding ticker symbol SENS. Alright, they are last traded at 231. After hours was 261, which is like 30% upside. It's crazy, it's huge, it's highly volatile. And their RSI is at 75, which is expensive. Bollinger Band at 4, expensive. So both indicator is a no-no. However, I'm going to go in for this week, for the coming week, is because their direct offering is going to close on the 26th of January. Now, a little bit history of this company. They recently had a great run-up as they announced that their implantable CGM have got FDA approval last year August. And recently, a huge insurance company started to provide coverage for its CGM. So this provides a huge revenue potential for their stock. However, once they have announced the direct offering of around 100 million, their share price dropped around 20% from 390 all the way to 231 now, right? But like other direct offering companies such as BNGO, if you remember, or if you have paid attention to that stock, you'll notice that after direct offering closed, their share price actually jumped. So I'm gonna bet the same thing. However, if the share price remains sluggish for the week, I will sell and move on. Now, what I mentioned about the two stocks are tailored to my own investment or investing needs, right? It tailored to my investment horizon, which is short term, my investment objective, which is crazily huge appetite. And so every individual differs from one another. So I would advise you to understand yourself or even consult a financial advisor if you need to, tailor a specific investment portfolio for yourself. Now, for your information, I'm willing to go for it is because of my intention to double or triple my investment. And I also have a separate savings account for my retirement fund invested in different stocks. These two stocks will only be from my risky portfolio, consisting of only $13,000. I'm aiming to make it to 100,000 this year. So penny stock is the way to go. High risk, high return. Now, that's all for the video today. I'll talk more about other shares in my future videos. Thank you.